Welcome back to Mighty Car Mods. Today we're not talking about a regular car or even a performance machine you'd see on the road. We're diving into something that represents the absolute peak of military engineering, the 2026 T-14 Armata battle tank. This tank has been making headlines as one of the most advanced armored vehicles in the world, and the newest version revealed for 2026 pushes the boundaries of technology, protection, and battlefield dominance. It's more than just a weapon. It's a statement of what the future of ground warfare looks like. Let's break it down piece by piece. On the outside, the 2026 T-14 keeps its distinctive angular and intimidating design but brings improvements that make it even harder to detect and destroy. The hull and turret are wrapped in advanced composite materials, designed to absorb radar signals and reduce visibility to detection systems. That means it doesn't just look mean, it's stealthier than many tanks that came before it. The redesigned armor plating is layered with next-gen explosive reactive armor and side skirts, giving it extra resilience against modern anti-tank weapons. The low-profile unmanned turret not only reduces the risk to the crew but also makes the tank a smaller target. Add to that the Afghan Active Protection System, which can detect and neutralize incoming missiles before they even hit, and you've got a tank that's as defensive as it is offensive. The overall look is futuristic and deadly, like a tank designed for the battlefields of tomorrow rather than today. Inside, the T-14 is unlike any conventional tank. Instead of the crew being spread out across the hull and turret, the three-person team sits together inside an armored capsule in the front of the vehicle. This design massively increases survival rates since they're separated from the ammunition storage and explosive components. The interior has gone digital, with large high-definition screens, augmented reality displays, and touchscreen controls replacing many of the traditional analog instruments. The driver, gunner, and commander each have their own advanced viewing systems, including panoramic thermal imaging and night vision that allows them to see in almost any condition. Instead of peering through narrow periscopes, they get a nearly 360-degree virtual field of view, making situational awareness second to none. Comfort has also been addressed, with climate control and improved seating, since crews might spend hours inside during extended missions. Performance-wise, the T-14 is a beast. It's powered by a 1,500 horsepower diesel engine that can push this 55-ton monster to speeds of up to 80 km per hour on paved roads, and it handles off-road terrain with surprising agility. The engine is engineered for both raw power and efficiency, with the ability to sustain long missions without excessive fuel consumption. Its advanced suspension system keeps it stable at high speeds, and an automatic transmission makes maneuvering smoother for the driver. Despite its massive weight, the T-14 feels fast and mobile compared to many of its global rivals, giving it a significant advantage in combat situations where mobility is just as important as firepower. Speaking of firepower, the T-14 packs one of the most advanced weapons systems in modern armored warfare. Its main armament is a 125mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing armor-piercing rounds, high-explosive shells, and even guided missiles that can strike targets up to 8 kilometers away. Thanks to its automatic loading system, the gun can fire quickly and consistently without requiring an extra crew member. On top of that, it features secondary weapons, including a 12.7mm heavy machine gun and a 7.62mm coaxial gun, for dealing with infantry and lighter vehicles. With an AI-enhanced fire control system, the T-14 can lock onto multiple targets, track them, and fire with remarkable accuracy even while moving. That combination of speed, precision, and destructive power makes it one of the most feared tanks in the world. Technology is where the T-14 stands apart. It's been built for the digital battlefield, with systems that connect it to drones, command centers, and other armored units. This networked approach means it doesn't fight alone, it fights as part of a coordinated ecosystem, constantly sharing and receiving real-time data. Its electronic warfare systems can jam enemy drones and communications, while its onboard defenses can intercept rockets and missiles mid-flight. Add in nuclear, biological, and chemical protection for the crew, and you've got a vehicle that's designed to operate in virtually any hostile environment. Now, when it comes to cost, the T-14 is a serious investment. The 2026 version is expected to cost between $5 and $6 million per unit, depending on configuration and export details. That makes it one of the most expensive tanks currently available, but with the level of technology and protection it offers, it's also one of the most advanced. Countries looking to modernize their armored forces will see the T-14 as not just a purchase but a long-term commitment to next-gen warfare capability. The 2026 T-14 Armata battle tank is more than just an upgrade of older systems, it's a revolution in armored vehicle design. From its stealthy and heavily armored exterior, to its futuristic digital interior, to its blistering performance and unrivaled firepower, it's a machine built for modern warfare like no other. Its price tag is steep, but so is the value it delivers on the battlefield. Whether you see it as a symbol of power, a technological marvel, or just one of the most intimidating machines on the planet, there's no denying that the